So this whole entire chapter is on different forms of lines, okay? We're going to be graphing a lot of lines. We're going to be writing equations in 3 different forms, okay? This is a pretty important chapter, okay? Right now we are going through kind of some of the same stuff in geometry, so you will be seeing this again, okay? It's not like this just goes away or anything like that. You are going to have to learn and remember this. But we're going to start with slope. And I think you guys have worked with slope a little bit before. Am I right or wrong? Right? All right. So, what is slope? Slope is the constant rate of change. Okay, sometimes we refer to slope as the rate of change between points on a line. Okay? Does anyone remember when you're given a graph how you find slope? Rise over run, you bet. So it is, okay, it is a ratio. Okay, and remember our ratio here is a fraction. Okay, so it's a fraction of the rise to the run of the line. Okay. Now the weird part is that we don't symbolize slope with an S. We think of the S, right? It is an M. Okay. Slope is known with variable M. Alright, so we've got this little penguin guy skiing. Okay, and he's skiing up. My slope is positive. So this would be a positive slope. If he's going downhill, it's negative slope. If he's not going anywhere, it is 0 slope. Okay, and if he falls off a cliff and is going straight up and down, it is undefined. We have an undefined slope. It's straight up and down. This part is what a lot of people get mixed up. Okay? We've got a horizontal line. My slope is 0. If I've got one straight up and down, we've got undefined. Okay? So, if I have a graph, okay, we are going to rise over run. And what I always do, okay, between the 2 points that is given to us, I always draw a triangle connecting them. Okay, so like from my top point, I draw a line down, and from my bottom point, I draw a line over. That makes that triangle. And this triangle helps me a lot. Because now I can just count. What is my vertical rise? 7, yep. And how much does it go over? 4. So now, my fraction is always rise over run. And so my rise was 7 over my run was 4. And if that can't be reduced, I leave that as my slope. If I can't reduce that, I have to reduce it. Yes, ma'am? Does it matter what I use a triangle? No, it doesn't. Okay? She's asking, can you go above it like this? You sure can. Right? Is that what you're asking? Yeah. Or on the other side of the line? Yep, it doesn't matter at all. For some reason, I always put it below. But if you put it above, not a big deal at all. Okay? So this guy, my rise is 3. My run is 9. Okay? So rise is or down? It's going down, so I have to throw up a negative sign out in front. And then I have to reduce this, because 3 over 9 can be reduced. 1/3. So my slope is a negative 1/3. And you do have to pay close attention to your positives and your negatives. Okay? This guy is a horizontal line. So you can automatically say that your slope is 0. Okay? Number 4 is vertical. What's my slope of a vertical line? 95. Yes, you have to write that out. Sorry. And then over here, we've got our triangle. What's my rise? 5. And my run is? Okay, is it positive or negative? Positive, and my fraction's going to be? 5/3. Okay, my triangle over here is a little one. What's my rise? 2 over 2. Positive or negative? Positive, because it's going uphill again. Okay, okay, so some people ask, how can you tell if it's going up or down? Because if I look at it this way, it's going down, right? Okay, but we always go left to right, just like you would be reading a book. Look at it from the left side to the right side, and it's going up. So we've got a positive, what's 2 over 2? 1. My slope is going to be 1.